In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy candles on TradingView using the bars pattern tool. This is a handy trick for anyone looking to analyze price action with precision or predict future market movements using historical data. Understanding how to effectively use this tool can greatly enhance your chart analysis and trading strategies. So let's dive into it. First, let's get ready to locate the bars pattern tool. On your TradingView chart, you'll notice a toolbar on the left side. This is where you'll find a plethora of drawing tools that TradingView offers. To proceed, go ahead and click on the icon which opens up this array of tools. You're looking for the bars pattern, so keep an eye out for it as you scroll through the drop-down menu. Once you've found it, go ahead and click to select it. With the bars pattern tool now selected, let's talk about marking your candles. Start by clicking on the very first candle, the beginning of the range you have in mind. It's crucial here to decide which segment of price action you want to analyze. Do you want a few days, a week, maybe several weeks? Whatever the length, begin by clicking on that starting point. Next, it's time to choose your end point. Move your mouse to the last candle of the range you're interested in copying and click again. This action effectively selects those candles, highlighting the exact price movements you wish to replicate. It's exciting because now the tool has captured that pattern for you. Now that you have the candles copied, it's time to make use of that pattern. With the mouse, you can reposition this pattern anywhere on the chart by dragging and clicking. This flexibility allows for comparative analysis or hypothesis testing by setting the copied price action into different contexts on the chart. So why use the bars pattern tool? Well, it has a variety of purposes. For one, predictive analysis becomes much more informed. You can take past candle patterns and use them to forecast how future price movements might unfold if similar conditions present themselves on the chart. It's a way of visually assessing potential market trends and reactions based on historical data. Additionally, by placing these patterns elsewhere, you can study the price action in a fresh light. This tool provides a visual perspective, enabling you to see how similar price actions have played out in different areas of the market. It's all about detecting market patterns and being better prepared for potential future outcomes. By practicing this tool, you gain a deeper insight into not just what has happened, but what might happen, offering you a powerful edge in trading. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this gives you an edge in your TradingView chart analysis.